Hi everyone, I'm Holly from Hand Printed and I'm going to show you how to remove the photo emulsion from your screen. So I've got here in front of me one of our screens. This is a large A2 90T screen and it's been exposed with photo emulsion. You might have a screen that you've exposed yourself or it might have been made by us. But either way, you should be able to remove your emulsion to reclaim your screen and use it again for other designs. So this screen has been made using our Speedball Diazo photo emulsion, and the cleaner that we use for that is the Speedball photo emulsion remover. There are a few different types of photo emulsion and they'll need different types of removers, but this should work with all of the Diazo types. So all we need to do is grab a paintbrush. I use the same brush over and over again. It should last for a long time. You want to decant a little bit of the cleaner into a separate container. And brush it onto your screen. Work it onto the mesh a little bit with your brush and then flip it over to do the other side. Now going to leave it a couple of minutes to work on the emulsion. Work it over with the brush a little bit more. We want to leave the emulsion remover enough time to do its job, but we can't let it dry on the screen. If the emulsion remover dries on the screen, it can actually super harden the emulsion, making it harder for you to clean it later on. After a few minutes and a couple of scrubs over with your paintbrush, it's ready to rinse out. Make sure you rinse out your paintbrush, otherwise it will go stiff and you can't use it again. Sometimes we wash these out using the jet wash, which is a really good way of getting it nice and clean, but if you haven't got one, that's fine. You can do it with a hose. Your shower hose, if you don't mind your bathroom being a workroom, or a garden hose will work perfectly well. The mesh should now be all completely clear, so you can use it for another exposed screen or paper stencils or anything that you like. If there is still emulsion on after this point, you can go back, apply more remover with the brush and do the whole process again. If you've got any questions about this process or any other printmaking questions, let us know. Happy printing!